Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers is also an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. At this point, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thickness. Lower wheel offset helps install bigger brake calipers or covers safely and properly. This enlarges the selection of aftermarket brake kits. So, if you plan to add larger suspension parts to improve the whole off-roading experience, these Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers will be very useful.
BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. This comes with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when rotating. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. This is helpful to reduce brake thermal decay and improve road safety.
BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from AL7075-T6 6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. By providing a more even distribution of weight across a wheel assembly, hub-centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Hub-centric wheel spacers are designed to fit perfectly around the vehicle's hub, ensuring that the wheel's weight is evenly distributed according to the hub and not the wheel studs.
BONOSS wheel spacer with multi-stage hub-centric design. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers feed the corresponding hub spacers, which the spacer more closely with the hub, eliminates vibration caused by inaccurate data. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Ford F-150 wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.